Yo, what is up, you guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So we got this faded tail light right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. As you can tell, this looks brand new compared to its rival enemy. So yeah, there's not very much of a difference with this lighting, but when they're side by side, you can tell the difference. So this is the best way I'm going to be able to show you guys that this thing is faded, oxidized, and it just looks really dry, as opposed to this one looks very wet, slippery, and shiny, and looks brand new. And it really looks brand new from like right here, as opposed to this one. Like, you can tell the difference now. Like, this one's obviously way darker. So I can't get this screw out right here because it is just stripped. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Going to degrease this, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and clear coat it. This is the clear coat that I'm using, Rust-Oleum crystal clear enamel, and yeah, this is some good stuff. The only bad thing is this thing has been sitting for quite some time, so you can't spray it like, okay, yeah, you can't spray it like this because it just go out, so you have to spray it from the side. So it's dumb, I don't know why it's like that, but yeah, that's what I gotta do. All right, let's get the painting. That right there, my dudes, is how it's done, bud. This kid asks me $1 every day. You got $1? You got $1? Boy, you got 20-something dollars. Anyway, this is what it looks like. As you can tell, it's very wet and all that. I might need to hit it up again, but it's matching this one now. So now it looks like I got brand new tail lights. Like, you can't see it on camera because like it's just trash. There you go. Can now. So damn, dude, that looks good. All right, so here we go. Got both the tail lights freshened up. Dude, these things look so freaking good. Got that freaking bumper glistening, bud. Like, that thing is shiny, sparkly, reflecting good with that white license plate. I actually sanded down the exhaust tip last night. Didn't do the whole thing, as you can tell, but this exhaust is not even going to be on it long. So just imagine this right here sitting about right here, or right here curved at an angle like this, like a 45-degree angle, because that's what it's going to be like. So yeah. Alright, so I did a video on how to fix a humongous rust hole. The first part of the video got deleted, I don't know how, but when I went back over it with my finger, it felt a little like rough, like there was like some holes and stuff, so I just patched it up again. And the only thing I gotta do is just sand this down smooth all the way, and then I need to go to the store and get some primer, and need to get the paint code for this and get a can of paint made, so that way we can get this thing looking flawless. Look at that freaking shine, dude. Before it was like dry and oxidized and hazy and all that. Now it's shiny, beautiful, magnificent, and frankly fantastic. Give it a big old fat thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yo, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Look at his ears, bro.